It's the perfect mix. A little cooking, a little snacking, and a lot of chatting.
Welcome to In the Mix with Flavour Network. Hi everyone, I'm Anna Olson. Today we're talking about the kitchen, not just as a place to cook and eat, but as a place for real connection. And here to share an appetizer that brings people together is food expert and recipe writer Julie Miguel.
Thanks, Anna. I'm with you. The kitchen is not just a place to cook. I love hosting, and the party always ends up in the kitchen. And honestly, kitchens are so beautiful these days, it just makes people want to gather there.
Well, is it even a party if it's not in the kitchen?
Exactly. And once your guests are gathered, you can put them to work and get them involved in a Make Your Own Crostini station. It's simple, it's fun, and everyone gets to create their own perfect bite. And with KitchenAid major appliances bringing so many different colors and personalization options, there's a combination for everyone.
And a kitchen like this is just so inviting.
It just makes you want to have a party here.
I know, and plus, we get to see everybody's crostini personality come out.
Exactly. It's the perfect mix. A little cooking, a little snacking, and a lot of chatting.
I love that idea. Now, tell me, what's your favorite combination?
My favorite combination is the caramelized onion with sautéed mushrooms and gruyère cheese. And the good part about it is while you're cooking up those ingredients on the stovetop, you can actually toast the baguette in the oven, and you can even roast things like the red pepper all at the same time.
And this is why we like being in the kitchen, because you can multitask and be a host at the same time.
Exactly.
Now, what are some other classics you have?
Some other classics that I absolutely love are the goat cheese with strawberry, a little balsamic drizzle, and some basil. Another favorite in our house is the hummus with the roasted red pepper and a little pine nut on top, and that adds a little crunch. It's such a good combination.
You know what? You've thought of something for everyone, and that's truly the spirit of a fun kitchen party. That sense of gathering, creating, and sharing.
It's all part of the fun of hosting, creating that unique experience for your guests. And with KitchenAid major appliances offering so many beautiful ways to personalize your space, it makes those moments even more memorable.
Julie, thanks so much for sharing your expertise. And thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Mix with Flavour Network. Presented in part by KitchenAid Major Appliances, designed to be personalized.